Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to design a timing belt in SolidWorks, and after designing this timing belt I will also make some mates in such a way that the timing belt will move along with the gear. So keep watching this video till end, or if you want to download these parts for your practice, our download link is mentioned in the description of this video.
Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification.
Let's start. First of all, we have to design the gear. So for that, click on new button here and then double click on the part. Now on the front plane, click on it and then sketch on it. Click on this arrow in front of line command and then select center line. Start the center line from the origin. Press the escape button. Then again draw a simple line. Start it from here. Now define the sketch by using smart dimensions. So this diameter is 10 millimeter and this diameter is 100 millimeter. Press escape button and then select both of these lines, make their relation equal. Now select this point and this point, make their relation horizontal. Select these four lines and make their relation equal. Also select this point and this point, make their relation vertical and make vertical relation for both of these points. Now define again. Total width is 30 millimeter. Distance from this line up to this line is 20 millimeter. This height is 5 millimeter and this height is 10 millimeter. Our sketch is now fully defined. So go to Features tab and apply Revolve Bow Space command. System has automatically detected the center line as an axis of revolution, so press OK button. Now click on this face and then sketch on it. Make normal to and then draw a sketch by using line. Press escape button. Select this line and this line, make their relation equal. Now press and hold Ctrl key and select this midpoint and the origin, make their relation vertical. Also select this midpoint and this midpoint, make their relation vertical. Now define this length is 3 millimeter and this width is 5 millimeter. Total height of this sketch is 6 millimeter. Press escape button. Now draw a point on this quadrant point. Press escape button and then drag this sketch here. Now define again. Distance from this point up to this line is 3 millimeter. Press OK button and then go to Features tab and select Extruded Cut command. Cut it from through all and press OK button. Now select Fillet command from here and the fillet radius is 1 millimeter. Select this corner and this corner. Press OK button. Click on this arrow below the linear pattern button and then select circular pattern. Select this face and then this fillet. Select this box pattern axis and then click on this circular edge. Type here the quantity 40 and press OK button. Now save this part. Again start from a new part. At this time I am going to design the shaft. So draw a circle on the origin and define its diameter, which is 10 millimeter, and then apply extruded pose base feature on it. Extrusion length is 100 millimeter. Press OK button. Save this part also. Now start from a new assembly and then import shaft into the assembly. Now import gear. We need one more gear and one more shaft. So press and hold Ctrl key and then click and drag the gear to make its duplicate. Also drag the shaft to make its duplicate while pressing the Ctrl key. Now click on this cylindrical face of shaft and then select mate. Now click on this cylindrical face of gear and do not lock rotation. Press OK button. Similarly, select this face, cylindrical face of shaft and this cylindrical face of gear. Do not lock rotation. Press OK button. Now select this face and this face of both shafts. Press OK button. Select this face of gear and this face of gear and press OK button. Scroll down and then expand this option Advanced Mates. From Advanced Mates, select Width Mate. Select both sides of the shaft and then both sides or both faces of gears to make width mate. Press OK button. Again press OK button. At this point I am going to tell you how to define the distance between two pulleys or two gears. This question was asked by Mr. Mahesh Babu on our YouTube channel. So let me show you how to define the distance between two pulleys or two gears. For that, press and hold Ctrl key from your keyboard and then select this cylindrical face and then this cylindrical face. Now release the Ctrl key and then from here select mate. In the mate options or from here select distance. Now you can type here the distance. So at this time I am going to add 110 millimeter distance between both of these shafts. Press OK button. Now again press OK button. Now let's see both gears are working or not. Now we need to fix this shaft because whenever we will try to rotate the gear, it will move along with the gear. For that, right click on the shaft and then select Fix. Now you can rotate both of the gears. So now it's time to make the belt mate for both of the gears. For that, click on this button Assembly Features and then select Belt and Chain. Select the cylindrical face and type here the diameter 100 millimeter. Now select this cylindrical face and also type here the diameter 100 millimeter. scroll down, and from here check this box, create belt part. Press OK button. Save and continue. Expand this tree on the left side, belt 1, and then expand this tree for belt part. Now click on the sketch 2 and then edit it. Simply go to Features tab and press Extruded Boss Base Feature command. Now double click on this face and then check to this box direction 2. For the direction 2, type here the distance 2.5 millimeter. Now check to this box thin feature. Scroll down and make sure that extrusion is on this direction. Type here the thickness for thin feature, which is 2.5 millimeter, and press OK button. Now press this button to save and exit from editing mode. If you rotate one gear, this other one is also rotating due to belt feature. Now we have to make this belt as a timing belt. So for that, click on this face and then sketch on it. From here, expand the belt 1 option and then click on this sketch and then press this button, convert entities. Now save and exit from sketch. Click on this arrow below the insert component button and then select new part. Select this face and then make normal to. Now select this line and this curve. Also this line and this curve, and press convert entities button. Now draw a 3-point curve and close this sketch. Press escape button. Now select this line and delete its relation. Delete all relation for this sketch. Now go to Features tab and apply Extruded Boss Base command. Double click on this face and press OK button. Now press this button to save and exit from editing mode. Now click on this belt and then hide it. Now also hide this gear. Now we have to make the path mate for this part. So for that, click on mate option here and then scroll down, expand the advanced mates option, and in the advanced mates select path mate. Select this point as a component vortex and then select this button, selection manager. Select this select group option and then select this line, this curve, this line, and this curve. Press OK button and press OK button again. Once again we have to create path mate for this side. For that, click again on path mate and then select this point as a component vortex. Select again selection manager and then select all the sketch and press OK button. Again press OK button. Now unhide the gear and then hide this sketch for belt. Make normal to So one more step we have to do is that expand the mates tree and then click on in place one mate and then suppress it. Now we have to make a gear mate for this part with this gear. Now let's try and rotate it. So you can see gears are rotating, but this part is not moving along with the gear. So how to fix this issue? For that, click on mate and then scroll down, expand the mechanical mates option, and in the mechanical mates option select gear. Now select this cylindrical face and type the diameter or number of teeth 40 and then select this edge. Uncheck this box reverse and press OK button. Again press OK button. Now try to rotate the gear and see how it's working. Now we have to make the curve driven pattern for this part. For that, click on this arrow below the linear component pattern and then select curve driven component pattern. In the direction 1, expand this tree and then select this sketch. Check this box equal spacing and quantity is 70. Scroll down and then check this option offset curve and also check this box tangent to curve. Now select the components to pattern. So click on this component or this part and then press OK button. Now you can hide this sketch. Now we have to unhide the belt. So for that, scroll down from here and expand this option or feature belt 1, and in the belt 1 feature click on this belt 1 part and then unhide it. Now press this button rebuild. So now you can see how easily we had created our timing belt. The hardware of my laptop is too lazy, so it is difficult for me to animate it. Anyhow, I am trying to show you. If you can see, the belt is moving along with the gear. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing your time.